Okay, welcome back. We're going to replace this guy today, which as far as I know is original, and just needs to get updated since the sun faded and cracked and just not a very good seal on there anymore. So 2 down and this guy to go.
So today we are going to replace this old and haggard outlet with this beautiful new outlet that we got from RV Guard online. Beautiful new square outlet with a snap close guard. So in a couple minutes we will swap them out and we'll show you how it's done. Yeah, babe.
Yeah.
She shut off the power.
Hey babe, I shut off the power.
Yay. No electrocution.
Best invention in the world is not a slot screw. Good Lord. All right.
Oh, yay.
Oh, good.
Lots of caulking.
More slots.
Nice rusted slots. Oh,
Maybe I'll give these a little spray before we start.
okay.
Spray. Ready? Oh.
Oh, that's always a joy.
Hopefully that won't be a problem. Shit.
It's always great when the head comes off.
My God. Original screws. Should probably let that screw marinate, but the head's almost done on this thing. Might look, it's a 6-inch screw.
Squeaking is good. Somewhat.
Okay, I started peeling all the sealant off, and see this box is just about done, so I think just in order to torture myself, I'm going to replace this box as well as soon as I get this guy off. So I'm going to clean the rest of the sealant residue. This is some WD-40. You can also use Jigaloo.
Jigaloo.
As they're both water displacement. Right, Tanya?
Jigaloo.
So I just spray it. Cleans the metal too. But it kind of breaks down that sealant nicely. So I can put new sealant on to make an actual better seal. Now I use those same screws that we've used in other projects with that little rubber seal in here. So again, it just makes a little bit better seal on this old trailer. All right. Next, I'll go get that sealant and we'll put it on and put that final cap on it. So you don't really have to be an electrician to hook these up. It does help. these wires are already kind of pre-bent for me.
What's this wire called?
That's your ground wire.
Perfect. For those of us that might not know.
Yep. I'm just hooking up the white wire now.
To
the white side. They'll sell you 99% of the time. They'll tell you what side to hook it on to. 99% of the time. So just make sure these guys are nice and tight without really stripping anything. I just make a half turn on those guys so it makes a good contact on all these screws. All right, now we're going to hook this on to here. We're going to take out this piece of 1974 trailer, 75. And we're going to hook this on as soon as I go get the correct screwdriver. So I really didn't want to swap out these screws, but these heads were too thick for the back plate, the foam plate on this thing. So we swapped it out. I have some 2-inch drywall screws to hit the meat at the real behind the box, so it'd be more solid for us. So we're going to put sealant around here just as a precautionary measure. So this sealant's really easy to break off. And I put it right up there. It just sticks on kind of like plumber's putty. The problem is it sticks to your fingers as well. Makes you lose your mind a little bit. And if you have anything that sticks out afterwards, it just easily peels off. Again, just another added barrier protection for water. Something like that. So we'll just tighten this up and see the excess putty underneath here. We'll just scrape that right away. Just clean that up because we don't need it. All right, I'll spray a little more WD-40 on that and get rid of the excess. So cleaned up all the excess sealant around the bottom and the top. We might throw a nice white bead of caulking on the top of that like we did the other things, but that's a nice new comparison. Little snap lid, and should last another 20 years. Thanks for watching our video. We took us about 20 minutes from start to finish to do this one, and it's something you guys can do at home too. Thanks a lot. Bye.